Fun fact, tri-tip is a steak which comes from the bottom sirloin to primal cut. Since it is a steak, you should never cook it over medium rare, and you should never ruin the steak with a sauce like A1.
Right there. And remember, this is the hot spot over here, so we're going to keep it away from that. Just like that, okay? Perfect. So what do we got? T-bone.
Tri-tip.
Tri-tip, exactly. You want some? Okay. I think we can probably manage. There might be enough for all of us. No guarantees though. Right. Here you go. What do you think? Try a piece? Okay. I was extremely happy with how the. Is that good? Yeah. So, can you tell me, what did you taste in there? Smoke? Kind of smoke. There's a the Asmoke right now. All they have is applewood. So that's what we're using to cook with. It's really delicious. Normally I prefer post oak, red oak for tri tip because that's the traditional method for tri tip barbecue. I'll just leave that piece right there for you as I'm talking. Traditional and juicy, yeah, really juicy. Yeah, smoking juicy. So that's the traditional method for tri tip barbecue is red oak and the salt, pepper, garlic, celery seed, oregano in there too. Over an open flame, and you raise and lower the grate to the red oak logs as you cook them. We did this today on the Pellet barbecue grill pellet smoker, and I'm very happy with the results. This was applewood pellets. That's a very good smoke flavor on that. Any complaints? Nope, none here. We're gonna eat good tonight. Oh, absolutely delicious. This thing is just. Probably should let it rested for longer, but it's just dripping meat juice everywhere, and that's not a bad thing. Any more? There you go. Any questions? Let me know. Oh, yes, I did pick up. So this is traditional Santa Maria BBQ because I did pick up this. The barbecue rub I used was from Spencer's Market in Santa Maria. I was down there a little while ago and picked this up. Absolutely delicious. You can't go wrong when you're buying something local for what you're cooking. Good steak, kiddo? Yeah. I'm very happy. Any questions, let me know how this thing did, what have you. I'm just going to keep eating. Also, so we do have a lot of fun facts in the library ready to go. However, if you want to provide us with your own fun facts to be featured on this channel, please let us know, right? Yeah. It's fall out here, but I tell you, it sure doesn't feel like it. It's a little hot. A little hot still, yeah. So, and while I'm recording this, it is early October. This might come out later in the year, but anyway, let me know. Send me a comment, DM, Instagram, Twitter, all on all of those, YouTube, whatever. Give me those fun facts, and we'll incorporate those into the video. Until next time, keep barbecuing, America. Cheers.
So hot.